Okay, so I'm going to take my stipple brush and start over here in the corner, and all I'm going to do is just touch it like so. That's all we're doing. Just push it up. And it makes little places on it where it's kind of risen, if you will. Rises from the surface there. I'm going to keep dipping this into the bucket and just work my way around and just kind of push it. Now it's going to look odd, if you will. It's going to look odd at first when you're doing this, but just push it up and pull down, if you will. So I'm going to keep going this. All we're doing here is making a good impression, and you want to make a good impression that lasts, all right? So just push, and when you pull back from it, it's going to leave little stalagmites or stalactites. I don't know which one it is you call it. But just start back here in the back again.